Eceng Machinery is a high-tech enterprise based in Zhangjiagang City, Jiangsu Province, China, conveniently located near Shanghai, which allows for easy delivery. We provide turnkey projects for your drinking water, beverage juice, carbonated drink production line and oil filling production line projects. Our main products include injection, blow molds, fully electric bottle blowing machines, semi-automatic blowing machines, jar blowing machines, sticker labeling machines, case packaging machines, and shrink wrapping machines. Our products are best sellers in over 170 countries and regions. Our factory covers an area of over 10,000 square meters, ensuring a spacious workshop and ample inventory for on-time delivery. Each engineer has professional and extensive experience in servicing, with a service tenure of over 10 years, providing on-site installation, training, and online support. Furthermore, we offer a 1-year warranty, lifelong technical assistance, and free remote trailing videos, ensuring comprehensive customer support. Globally renowned suppliers are selected, and top-tier branded components are used to ensure reliability. Each machine is CE certified. Before shipping, all machines undergo rigorous debugging and 24-hour trial blowing tests to ensure impeccable quality. In addition to excellent quality, customer satisfaction is our key focus. Our sales managers actively listen to our needs and provide suitable solutions. Gathering more information through active listening ensures our customized solutions meet your expectations. We offer customizable machine models with 1 to 12 cavities, meeting production capacities from hundreds to 30,000 bottles per hour. With enthusiasm and professional expertise, our team, led by our GM, drives your business success. Eceng Machinery, a trustworthy partner you can rely on.